Aloha everyone, it's Jessica Oyanagi with Home Sweet Maui on the island of Maui. And I'm here today to share a video with you about how to calculate affordable house payments. This is a big question that I get, especially from first-time home buyers, is, how can I qualify for a loan? How can I make sure that I can actually afford my payments? And, what are the pros and cons of financing a purchase of a property? So thanks for joining me as I share my tips on how to calculate affordable house payments and how to qualify for a home loan. If you've never watched one of my videos before, I love to share my Maui life with you on YouTube and IGTV, and I also love sharing educational videos for potential home buyers and sellers. If you find value in this video, I would love it if you'd show me some love and give me a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to take it a step further and you're looking for a client-based realtor on the island of Maui, please feel free to contact me. I'll put my contact information in that description below. So one of the first things that potential buyers always ask me, especially first-time home buyers, is how can I figure out how much house I can afford? What my budget will actually be? And so I would recommend the first thing you do if you have this question is to go online and Google mortgage calculators. And so this way you can put in all of the information that you need to figure out how much house you can afford. And so this calculator is going to ask you questions like, what is the price of the home? What is the interest rate that the loan is charging? How much will you pay in property taxes? Not only property taxes, but insurance, right? Homeowners insurance. So there's many other factors that go into a home payment besides just the home loan itself. So I would recommend looking for calculators that include what they call PITI, which is P-I-T-I, which is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And if you go through and use these calculators, you will start to see what your monthly payments could be if you decided to finance purchasing a property. Once you've started to do a little bit of research about actually calculating your monthly payments for a mortgage, if you're starting to get more serious, the next big step I would recommend would be to actually talk with a lender. And if you're here on Maui and you need recommendations for local lenders that I like to work with, please contact me. I can definitely give you names and numbers of some professionals who can help you. Once you start speaking with lenders, they are going to be asking you for very specific information. So that way they can verify that you are qualified to actually get money from the bank to purchase the home of your dreams. So they're going to ask you to give them information such as maybe your pay stubs if you are an employee, or statements, bank statements, or profit and loss statements if you own your own business. And this way they can actually take a look and see if you have enough money coming into your bank account on a regular basis to be able to afford to pay the bank back for the home that you are purchasing. So once they look at your employment, that's all solid. They're also going to look at your credit score. So if credit is something that you haven't really been working on or haven't thought about, it's definitely something that a lender looks at and you should buff up on before you consider applying for a home loan. So you might be wondering, Jessica, why are you making a whole video dedicated to questions I might have about, being able to pay your mortgage, getting pre-qualified for a loan? And the reason being is because I have so many people that come to me that are interested in purchasing property on Maui, whether they're already living here and want it to be their principal residence, or it's someone on the mainland who wants to maybe invest in a vacation property. And they come to me, with stars in their eyes. They're super excited to own a piece of paradise, and rightly so, but they haven't taken the time to actually look at the financial aspects to fulfill these dreams that they have. And so this is one of the first things I recommend after I have kind of just an introductory conversation with a potential client, is that they connect with a lender, look at their finances, and see what they can actually afford. Because this helps us, right? When you tell me the type of property that you're looking for and I know you're pre-qualified, I know what your budget is, then we can actually get down and have some fun and find you the place of your dreams on Maui. Thanks for joining me in this video covering, mortgages and payments on your home and just a little touch on the financial aspects of owning a piece of Maui. If you have any additional questions for me or you'd like me to help give you information on lenders on Maui, I would love to help you. Please feel free to contact me. I'll put my contact information in that description below. And if you just found value in this video, if you could give me a like, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much. Aloha.